Welcome to a journey where heritage meets the future. Have you ever wondered about the hidden molecular secrets behind the majestic purple hue of traditional sugarcane? Beyond the surface lies a world of crystalline beauty. We are about to peel back the layers of reality using the sharp lens of high-tech 3D. Witness the fusion of ancient agriculture and modern science. In this high-tech laboratory, every stalk of cane is analyzed to reveal its deepest chemical structure. Using advanced imaging, we dive deep into the cellular anatomy. The purple sugarcane reveals its internal architecture, built by nature over months of sunlight and soil. Look closely at the saccharose crystals, sparkling like tiny diamonds within the cells. These are the energy stores we will transform into a premium spirit. Precision starts at the very beginning. Our automated systems select only the finest samples, ensuring that every drop of the final product maintains absolute quality. High-speed lasers map every millimeter of the raw material. This digital twin allows us to calculate the exact sugar content and potential for the refining process. Data is the new ingredient. Real-time chemical analysis monitors glucose levels and purity, providing our engineers with the information needed for the perfect molecular dance. The entire facility is interconnected through a web of light and data. Every step is synchronized to ensure a flawless transition from plant to liquid. We are bridging the gap between the physical and the digital. This technological overlay represents our commitment to mastering the art of refining through absolute precision. This is where the transformation begins. Prepare to enter the gate of refinement, where the physical properties of sugarcane are challenged by modern industrial power. Before the extraction, every stalk undergoes ultrasonic cleaning. Thousands of tiny vibrations per second remove even the smallest impurities from the purple outer skin. In this electrolytic environment, pollutants are literally pushed away. We ensure that only the pure essence of the cane moves forward into the pressing stage. The extraction process uses multi-stage hydraulic power. It is a calculated force designed to release the juice without damaging the delicate molecular chains we need. Inside the screw press, the pressure reaches its peak. Through this 3D perspective, you can see how the solid fiber is separated from the liquid. The first flow of essence appears as a rich, iridescent purple liquid. This is the lifeblood of the sugarcane, concentrated and ready for the next evolution. At the molecular level, the sugar-rich fluid breaks free from its fibrous prison. It is a separation of pure potential from the raw physical form. Welcome to the world of nano-filtration. These membranes act as high-tech gatekeepers, allowing only the finest molecules to pass through their microscopic pores. Unwanted particles are trapped and removed, leaving behind a liquid of unparalleled clarity. Each step brings us closer to a state of absolute 100% purity. Physics becomes a tool for perfection. The refined essence now travels through a sterile network, protected from the outside world to maintain its integrity. Pressure and flow are monitored every microsecond. This level of control ensures that the delicate balance of the juice is never compromised during extraction. The swirling juice forms a vortex of concentrated energy. It is a visual representation of the power and purity we have extracted from the fields. Each drop is now a jewel of liquid potential. The transition from raw plant to refined essence is complete, marking the end of the physical journey. Our facility stands as a testament to the intersection of nature and technology. Now the juice is ready for its most miraculous change, fermentation. We now dive deep into the heart of the process. Inside these massive steel vats, a biological miracle is about to unfold under strict temperature control. Meet the microscopic architects of flavor, the yeast cells. In this 3D simulation, they appear as golden dancers ready to interact with the sugar. The interaction is electric. As the yeast consumes the sugar, it triggers a complex metabolic reaction that transforms the very nature of the liquid. Carbon dioxide is released, rising like tiny bubbles of light. This is the breath of the fermentation process, signaling that the transformation is active. At the same time, ethanol molecules begin to form. The sweetness of the sugarcane is being converted into the powerful spirit that defines our product. Watch as the color evolves. The liquid shifts from a heavy, opaque purple to a mystical, translucent violet, reflecting its growing complexity and spirit. Under our lens, fermentation is no longer a dry chemical reaction. It is a biological dance, a rhythmic exchange of energy and soul. Every variable is monitored in real time. We maintain the perfect balance of heat and pressure to ensure the yeast can perform at its peak. The foam on the surface is a sign of life. It's a delicate lattice of gas and liquid, capturing the essence of the chemical transformation. The motion inside the tank is constant and chaotic, yet perfectly orchestrated by the laws of nature and the guidance of our technology. Advanced thermal sensors ensure the environment remains stable. Even a fraction of a degree can change the final flavor profile of the spirit. Complex flavor compounds are now bonding. These unique molecular clusters will eventually provide the signature aroma and taste of our purple sugarcane spirit. The hall pulses with the rhythm of creation. Millions of microscopic reactions are happening simultaneously, guided by our state-of-the-art control systems. Time and patience are essential. We allow the fermentation to reach its natural conclusion, ensuring every sugar molecule has been fully transformed. The transformation is complete. The raw juice has become a sophisticated wash, rich with alcohol and the deep heritage of the sugarcane. Now, the spirit begins its final ascent. It moves toward the distillation columns, where the art of fire and steam will further refine its soul. From the earth to the tank, and now to the tower, the dance of the molecules has reached a new level of intensity and purity. Welcome to the art of distillation. These towers are the cathedrals of purity, where we separate the essence from the mundane through heat. As heat is applied, the spirit begins to transcend its liquid form. Shimmering vapors rise, leaving behind the heavier elements of the original mixture. Each plate in the tower acts as a stage of refinement. The vapor interacts with the liquid, becoming purer and more concentrated at every level. We climb higher into the tower. This vertical journey is a process of extreme selection, where only the most volatile and aromatic components survive. At this temperature, alcohol molecules take flight. We precisely control the heat to ensure that only the heart of the spirit is captured. The copper equipment is essential. It reacts with sulfur compounds, removing off flavors and polishing the spirit to a state of absolute perfection. In the condenser, the vapor returns to liquid. These are the first drops of the new spirit, crystal clear and brimming with concentrated aroma. This is the heart run. It is the most precious part of the distillation, containing the pure essence and the true character of the sugar cane. We discard the heads and the tails. Only the heart, the perfect center of the distillation, is chosen to become our signature product. Every drop is a masterpiece of precision. It represents the culmination of physical force, biological transformation, and thermal refinement. The aroma profile is rich and complex. Hidden within this clear liquid are the floral and spicy notes unique to the heritage purple cane. This is where science meets alchemy. Our high-tech distillery transforms a humble agricultural product into a luxury spirit of global standing. Continuous laser monitoring ensures zero defects. The clarity must be absolute, allowing no room for impurities in our final selection. The spirit now goes to rest. This stabilization period allows the molecules to harmonize, creating a smoother and more integrated flavor experience. The spirit settles into its final form. It is a moment of calm after the intense heat and motion of the distillation towers. Our brand is built on this foundation of purity. We take pride in the meticulous process that defines every bottle we produce. The final stage is approaching. The spirit is ready to be captured in glass and shared with the world, protected by modern technology. Enter the realm of automated precision. Our robotic assembly line ensures that every bottle is handled with the utmost care and surgical accuracy. The spirit is poured with milligram precision. Watch as the liquid creates a vortex of light, a final echo of the molecular dance inside. Every bottle is sealed with an inert gas layer to preserve its freshness. This ensures that the first sip is as perfect as the distillation. The seal of quality is applied. This metallic purple cap represents the heritage of the cane and the modern technology that protects it. Security meets aesthetics. Our laser-etched holograms protect against counterfeiting, while adding a touch of futuristic elegance to each and every bottle. Transparency is our promise. This QR code links each bottle to its specific harvest data, providing a complete digital history of the product. Our AI quality control never sleeps. Every bottle is scanned for even the slightest imperfection, ensuring only the highest standards reach our customers. The finished product is a symphony of glass and spirit. These rows of liquid gems are now ready to begin their journey across the globe. Packaging is an extension of our craft. Each bottle is nestled into a designer box that reflects the premium nature of the spirit inside. Logistics are managed with the same high-tech focus. Our automated warehouse ensures that every shipment is tracked and delivered with absolute efficiency. From a single stalk of cane to a global distribution network, this is the power of combining traditional heritage with the tools of the future. The journey of the molecule ends here, in your glass. The technology that refined it now serves to enhance your sensory experience. Take a moment to appreciate the clarity. The light reveals the subtle violet tint, a reminder of the purple cane's origin and its transformation. In every sip, you experience the history of the field and the precision of the lab. It is a story told through flavor and technology. We have decoded the molecular dance to create something truly exceptional. This is the new standard of excellence in the world of spirits. Our vision is a future where tradition and technology exist in perfect harmony. We are not just making alcohol, we are crafting a legacy. From traditional purple sugarcane to the pinnacle of 3D technology, we do not just refine alcohol, we refine the very rhythm of the future's legacy.